Hi children, today we are going to study lesson 12 friction. And in lesson 12 friction. Then what is friction? In your previous class you already learned friction. Then friction is a type of force. Then have you ever thought that why vehicle slow down when we brake? Then why is it difficult to walk on wet and smooth floor? Then why do we fall, we step on a banana tree? Then these three questions answer is in conduct on this chapter on friction. Then what is friction? Friction is a force that opposes the relative motion between two objects in contact. What is friction? Friction is a force that opposes the relative motion between two objects in contact. That means friction means the contact between the two objects. Example, the contact between the book and the table. Then I never walk on the road. Their shoes and road. These are the friction. Then significance of friction. What are the significance of friction? Friction exists between two surfaces due to irregular or uneven surfaces. That means friction is related to irregular or uneven surfaces. Then interlocking of micro level surfaces between two surfaces. Then flowing of harder surfaces into the smoother surfaces. That means we can apply force on left side, the friction act towards right side. That means opposes the motion. That means we apply force on left, the friction acts on right. That means friction is applied on or contact between two opposite forces. Then example, book moves towards right and force acts on left. Example, this in your hand book there, this acts on this side, the force is act on the opposite side. Then next is factors affecting friction. What are the factors affecting friction? When this friction causes to friction is affected by the surface on which an object is moving. Moving time friction is absent. Then smoother the surface. In smoother surface we apply less friction. Then rough surface we apply more friction. Example, we have to push a light box. Then which type of friction we apply? Less friction. Then heavy box, we push a heavy box, we apply more friction. That means friction is affecting the surface of the objects. That means friction is due to the surface of the objects. Example, smoother surface we act on less friction. Rough surface we act on more friction. Then in your then friction as a necessary evil. That means it adds on advantage and disadvantage of some frictions. Then why is the surface so important in determining friction? Friction is a result of irregularities in the surface of the bodies in contact. When one body is brought into contact, the irregularities on both the surfaces get interlocked. The interlocking of these irregularities of both the bodies give rise to friction. That means smooth surface and rough surface. You have to run on bicycle. In a smooth road, what happens? We move on easy. That means less friction. In irregularity of the road, we cannot move fastly. Then we apply more friction. And what is friction? Friction is a force that opposes the relative motion between two objects in contact. Example, you have to rub the palms. What happens? We feel the warm. That means we apply friction on the two objects. With friction produce heat. That means we in cold season we have to rub the hands hands we have to feel the warmth that due to the friction of two palms. Now let us study about friction a necessary evil. That means sometimes friction is harmful and sometimes friction is useful. Let us learn about the advantages of friction and disadvantages of friction. What is friction? Friction is a force that opposes the relative motion between the two objects in contact. First, advantages of friction. First, we walk easily on the ground due to friction. That means we walk in time, then this ground and shoes have no friction, then what happen? We slip down. Then friction enables us to fix the nail into the wall. That means friction helps to enables us to fix the nail into the wall. Then we can light a matchstick due to friction. That means matchstick and then both sides at time we produce heat. That means we can light a matchstick due to friction. Then next is the brakes slow down or stop moving bicycle due to friction. That means the brakes slow down or stop moving bicycle due to friction. That means the brake of hands and the rim of the bicycle have to due to the friction. The brakes slow down or stop moving bicycle due to friction. Then we can write with our pen due to friction. A very good example is friction writing. That means pen and paper have no friction. What happen? We cannot write clearly. Then another some examples of advantages are, then we can hold the gulhar or earthen pot in our hand because there is a friction between gulhar and our hand. Then friction enables a person to climb a tree or a pole. Then due to friction a belt drives machine in the factories. If there were no friction between tires of vehicles and road, then the wheels would spin at the same place and the vehicles do not move. That means friction is very good. It is important in our life. In our anything doing time, no friction, what happens? There the work is not do properly. Then next is disadvantages of friction. Wears away of soles of our shoes take place due to friction. Then wears away of soles of our shoes take place due to friction. Then heat produces due to friction. Heat produces due to friction. Then the efficiency of machines get reduced due to friction. That means the efficiency of machines get reduced due to friction. Then wears of steps of staircase in foot over bridges take place due to friction. These are the advantages and disadvantages of friction. Then in our day-to-day life we do many works or any other things. Then we cannot have friction. What happen? Our work is not do properly. Then finish this lesson, this section. Then understood. Then next section we study reduced or increasing friction, and we study the different types of friction. Study in next section.